Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Ang experiment na gagawin ngayon ay walking water. Experiment time! Place the 3 glasses in a row with the empty glass in the middle. Pour water into 2 of the glasses so they are almost full. Put 2 colors of food coloring in each glass. Put one end of a strip in the empty glass and the other in one of the glasses of colored water. Do the same with the other strip, but put one end in the other glass of colored water. If the middle of the strip stick up in the air, slide the glasses apart a bit so they stay flat on top. Wait 15 minutes and then check on the glasses. What do you see? Check again after 30 minutes. Has anything changed? The water moves along the paper towel using capillary action. The water sticks to itself called cohesion, but it sticks to the paper towel called adhesion more. The water curls up the tiny gaps in the fibers of the paper towel. This is the same method plants use to get water from their roots to the tips of their leaves. Kumusta? Nagustuhan niyo ba ang experiment na ginawa natin? Very good! For more exciting videos like this, click like and subscribe button and click the notification bell para mas maging updated po kayo sa mga susunod ko pang mga video. That's all for today. Stay safe and bye-bye!